Okay, so we are in our new apartment. I should have an apartment tour up already. I am so excited about all these windows, you guys. We have so many. We are gonna go get like our internet and cable provider. We have to do everything ourselves because of COVID. And then we're gonna get our Christmas tree, and I wanna put our Christmas tree in this nook that we have. This is probably gonna be like a little bar area in the future, but I want a tree right away, so probably gonna do that first. I'm so excited, can't wait to we have bought a round table and I can't wait to put it here. I'm so happy to be here. I really do love this apartment. And you guys, as you probably saw in my apartment tour video, I have a washer and dryer. Like, I could cry. Like, I am so excited. I haven't had a washer and dryer since I moved out of my parents' home, like 4 or 5 years ago. So yeah, I'm so excited. We have so many hall closets. Oh, it's wonderful. I'm excited that Nate like has his own space all the way over there. But yeah, we came into our apartment because I was like, I want to see the apartment before I sign anything. We came in and there was like water all over the counter. The water like leaked all over and then it came down the side of this wall. Do you see that? So they said that they think it's gonna dry. It does actually feel like it's drying, but there's definitely a stain there, which I don't like. So I'm gonna see if they can paint that. But they're gonna come in a couple days to like make sure that the piping, bless you, make sure that's all good. So yeah, we're gonna go get our internet and cable provider right now. And then I think we'll come back and Nate will set that up. And then I'm gonna try to line all of these cabinets. Hopefully at some point get our tree, because that's like #1 priority for me. We just went to Target. I was gonna record us being there, but honestly, we were rushing because his parents are coming over to see the place. I got some liners. We got a little bath mat for Nate's bathroom, and then I got some shower curtains. Our last apartment had a glass door, so we didn't need shower curtains, so we had to buy some. I got these ones for my bathroom. It's just like a nice, it feels like linen. And then I got this one for the guest bathroom, Nate's bathroom. Another white one with just like some stripes. So just clean. I don't like too much color. Then we got some liners, some towels. We grabbed some paper towels. People are being crazy and buying all the paper towels again. And then we bought just some drinks to have. I bought some coffee. This is my favorite creamer ever. So I was like, when I find it, I buy it because I feel like it's always sold out. We did notice that this fridge is actually much smaller than the one that we have. I'm gonna have this start making ice. Sorry, that was probably so loud. I love that there is a window in the kitchen, you guys. I'm so happy about it. Oh, I forgot to get like a thing for silverware. Maybe tomorrow, like sometime this week. So now I'm probably gonna set these up. Maybe put toilet paper in the bathroom since his parents are coming over. This is a little big. Is that weird? Should I have gotten something smaller? I already took the tag off. It's fine, I guess. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Seems a little big for this tiny bathroom, that's okay. And then shower curtain. I think the shower curtain looks nice, needs to be steamed. I guess when you take a shower in here, it'll steam itself out. Yeah. Nice. Need setting up the internet cable. Glad that's not my job.
Me too.
I would not do well.
Roses, I can't focus. Something precious like
We forgot so many things. Like we got the internet and cable provider information. And we forgot the plug for the TV to even turn the TV on to try out the internet and cable. Nate's parents are gonna come over so we can show them the place. I'm really excited for them to see it. There's so many things that I'm realizing that we need to buy. Like, I need a rug in his kitchen. Maybe like a nice, decent sized one. And I also kind of want to do like a round rug because we have a round table. I'm gonna bench across the entire way. I think I mentioned that already. I feel like I should start lining the cabinets. I don't know if you guys do this, but I always line my cabinets before I put dishes or anything in it, so I know I need to do that. But it's tedious.
Should be never open, so take some time to.
Okay guys, it is actually much later. It's actually, it looks like it's so late. It's 5 o'clock. Nate's parents ended up coming and they saw the apartment. We ended up having dinner together and then we went and got this for Nate. Actually, I bought him a gift. We got him this air fryer. We used to order online and then we picked it up. He's been wanting this and mentioned he really, really wanted one. So I decided to pick it up today while we were with his parents since we were right there. I didn't get to finish lining the cabinets is what I wanted to do. Nate and I are both super tired and I really wanted to get my Christmas tree today and I just don't think it's gonna happen. I'm really sad about it. We're gonna see how we feel tomorrow. If we're still really tired tomorrow, we're probably gonna get it after work on like Monday. I don't wanna wait till December. Guys, the lighting in this apartment is honestly so much better than my current apartment. I am so happy. Nate's parents were also super kind enough to buy us dinner, which was really nice, especially since we spent like $1 million today to move into our new place. Moving is so expensive. There's so many like costs. It's like you have to pay all these fees up front and then, you know, you're paying for stuff that you need. We have movers tomorrow. We're paying for our movers. Our family was really nice and offered to help us move, but the last time we moved and our family did help us, which we much appreciated, it was so like just so much work on everyone and we just felt like we just wanted to, if we could afford it, we wanted to get movers. So I sold a lot of our old furniture and all the cash that we got from the sales we're using towards our movers. I think that's probably like one of the best investments. We'll see. I'm really worried because I have a 7-foot mirror and I am worried that they'll break something. I don't know, we'll see. I don't know if you guys can hear, our apartment is so echoey right now because there's literally no furniture in here. But Nate is taking a shower in the new shower. That was like his thing. He's like, when we move in, I'm taking a shower right away. We live in an apartment where the shower head is really low and him and I are both really tall. So like first things first, he wanted to take a shower right away since the shower head is so much higher than us. And we aren't used to that based on the apartment that we currently live in. Let me show you guys how I line. So we have this liner essentially that we put on top. I like to do white because if it gets dirty, I like to see that it's dirty so I can replace it. We do have quite a few cabinets. Like they go really high, you guys. I've never had cabinets so high in my life. Like I mentioned, Nate and I are both really, really tall. So the fact that these are like even too high for me to reach, like I'm like 5'8", almost 5'9". I guess that's not super tall to maybe some people, but yeah, the fact that I can't reach the top cabinet, that never happens to me. So I am going to try and finish as much lining as I can before Nate's done with his shower, and then we'll probably head home and just kind of organize all our boxes for the big move tomorrow. I can't tell you how happy I am to be here. We're both really excited for this move and this new place. I guess maybe I'll see you guys in the morning when the movers get here. Everything's ready to go. Oof. This whole closet filled with boxes. Grill, patio furniture. They should be coming soon. Almost done. These guys are so fast. We still have a grill and some coffee table stuff.
'Cause you touch your surface, you'll turn to. Don't let him stop you from blooming. Questions and all they assuming. Even the dark side of moons can shine, but it'll take some time and you can find what you're looking for. You're the young star you should be shooting for, yeah. Don't take some risks, you'll get damaged, and he cannot handle your standards. Yeah, you're the only one he'll talk about, but don't have to change the way you talk it out. So how many times will you pick up your pedals till ain't nothing left, girl, you need someone else. On the inside, girl, you soft, I can tell. And on the outside, girl, you hard like a shell. I know you're tired of them broken hearts, but even roses can be torn apart. Torn apart. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like.
Okay, all moved in. What was that, 6 hours?
Yeah.
$1,000 later,
Yeah.
we expected half the time. Nate's office. We have my TV in here, the living room TV. Boxes. Filled up his closet. We put linen stuff in here. Have the washer and dryer currently going. I think it's gonna be cute. I'm washing the covers right now, so we're just Nate's sitting on a bare couch. I'm so excited to put our table together. I kind of want to do that right now and then move our coffee table over. We're gonna put the fireplace on this wall. My parents are bringing that today. And then the TV. I don't know if we're gonna be able to mount the TV today because I didn't buy a TV mount yet. And then our room. I love the gray carpet. Bed. We need to put our nightstands. We'll probably have to move the bed over a smidgen. This actually isn't as bad of a space that I was expecting. It's way.
The bedroom looks a lot better than I thought.
Yeah, the bedroom feels a lot bigger. We anticipated it to be really small. I think when there's no furniture in a room, it just feels like.
The high ceilings help too.
Yeah, we have high ceilings. I didn't even. Yeah, I think that actually makes a big difference. But I have my IKEA pack system. And I'm trying to take this shelf off, but the way that it's bolted in is like there's actual nails, but the nails are embedded. So I'm not able to get them out properly. And then basically I wanted to take this out and take this, flip it, and put it here. So we'll see. The only clothes I took out. Lots of unpacking to do. Oh my god. We have no chairs. Thank God we have that one. Christmas tree will go there. Okay, well, I'm gonna unpack now. Nate's gonna order food.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to attempt to put our kitchen table together. We bought this off of Facebook Marketplace. This is the table that Nate really wanted. And we both wanted a round table that was smaller. So I hope I got all the pieces. So I'm gonna attempt to put this together.
Should be never open, so take some time to.
Yeah, scratch my back since I don't know where my back stretcher is. Alright.
Deserve better. The best part about trust is just the third letter. Can't nobody do you better than you do you. No Netflix and chills, only self-love and Hulu. That they never can, so that's really why you broken.
First meal in a new apartment. I think I've only had this one once before, but Nate loves it. Luckily, we have a chair up. I'm gonna take these boxes off. We have a bench. Not much progress has been made. I literally tore open every box looking for my slippers, and I don't know where they are. So I put on fuzzy socks, sandals. I needed like arch support. Old.
Better to live alone, to just live in the moment. Broken roses.
Sorry about my washer machine, it's loud, but this in no way looks healthy, but oh my god. This is our first meal of the day. We had Starbucks coffee and I ordered food, but I never got to eat it. In fact, I left it at my last apartment. So this is a burger with chili and onions and some cheese. I could have done without the cheese. Not like, I would say the best food that I would have on a regular night, but for like moving, this is fantastic. honestly. Oh, I'm so excited. Dad's fixing all the problems.
Okay, so that hose feels heavy in the middle. Oh, maybe not.
Those feels heavy in the middle. Well, maybe.
Let's see. Make sure I'm draining here. Okay.
Oh, jeez. I need to like, you should see my closet. Oh, my dad fixed it. So my dad took out that shelf and we were able to put the pack system and I was able to do my shoe shelves. It looks so good. And then he put like the shelf here so if I want to hang anything, I can. Genius. Oh, love it.
You know, everybody
Got the
like,
fireplace. I had to try out and put out a stocking. Thank you to Nate and my dad for carrying it. It looks so good there. I'm so happy. It's perfect. Did it hide that plug? Just barely. I wondered if it covered, but it's just barely, but it doesn't
I'll
matter.
move it over from you too.
Yeah. I don't think I need to though. That looks pretty centered. Looks so good.
Why you just need it?
Okay, so my parents just left. It's like 9:30. My parents are honestly awesome. My dad is amazing. He fixed our sink. We noticed on our first day when we moved in that there was like water leaking and he found out that there was like a piped clog, or I'm tired, a clogged pipe. So he literally took the piping apart and there was so much like backed up in there and he was able to clean it out. Thank you, Dad. I know that was probably absolutely disgusting. They brought my fireplace, which I showed you guys. I bought this off of Facebook Marketplace. It was like originally $700 and I got it for $200 and I really wanted this instead of a TV stand. So we're gonna mount the TV and then it like fit perfectly. We have these plugs here, so it's like right underneath the plugs. It actually feels a lot higher than I thought it would be, which I'm super excited about. This place is starting to feel like home and I honestly love it. I'll turn you guys around. So I'm thinking about leaving my mirror here. This is my outfit right now. Couldn't find my slippers, so I put on this outfit. My hair is a mess. I need to take a shower. And then I've been doing laundry pretty much all day. And we still have bags and stuff. I really do feel like it's gonna take a while to get everything. My dad putting in my closet is gonna make such a big difference because this is literally not all my clothes, but this is a good majority of my clothes. I have like 5 more boxes in my room. So having the closet up is gonna be amazing. I can actually start putting stuff away. And then the kitchen, there's just like way more kitchen stuff than I thought. I don't know. I feel like this place is an absolute mess. I'm sure anyone with like OCD is probably dying. But yeah, I love it. I'm so happy with this place, you guys. It's honestly like wonderful. I'm just so happy. So I think I'm gonna call it a night because I am absolutely exhausted. I'm gonna take a shower, order some food, and then take a shower. And then go to sleep. Maybe I'll take you guys through the week. Maybe not. I don't know. But if not, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.
Feeling good today. Feeling good today.